it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Woo-hoo! Today, guys, we are with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, the teacher himself. And Ishawna with WOOF. Yes, WOOF. It's an official music video. We just dropped on the G page a while ago. I'm going to jump in it and see what the G has said, man. Let's go, man. Yeah. Vybz Kartel, Ishawna, WOOF. Official music video. Let's go.
Ishawna.
And a DJ.
The standards are the standards. You're crazy. Oh my days, oh my nights, oh my evening. Bitches.
And some waste boy. Hey, is she? When me say woo,
Woof.
girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Plus it's shit. Ishawna.
And a DJ.
And from where do you see them around with that style, eh? From where do you see them around with that style, and then finally give me this video, I mean? Yeah, Reese, big up.
Oh my nights.
Oh my evening, what you say?
And
Some waste boy.
Hey, is she?
Ready?
When me say woo,
Eh.
Woof.
girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove. When me
Man say, yo, girl, your pussy good, me have proof. Remember say me have proof, you know. Remember say, I know self-praise, is she did it, you know. Is she have her proof? Yeah.
when me say woo,
Woof.
girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Yeah.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove. When me say woo,
Woof.
girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove.
Get in at the groove, ready? Ha.
Alright.
Pussy jar, tight hole, that a lie.
Girl so clean, you want give it to me raw.
It's giving trust, and that me want.
Who want vex just vex? Ishawna.
And a DJ.
Let's go.
You're crazy.
Alright, video clean your
Oh
fuck.
my days, oh my nights, oh
At the
my
JAMAICA'S.
evenings. Bitches.
And some
Waste boy.
Hey, is she?
Alright.
When me say woo,
Eh.
Woof.
girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove. When me say woo,
Alright. Let me see what I go on the WOOF board here. So on the WOOF board here we have we have pussy shave, no bush, I know, WOOF here, so, and some things are behind him. So we're gonna try to see what I wanna say as well. So.
Woof.
girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove.
And the fucking argument done, I think, a walk us, something like that. Fucking argument don't know walk us, me say so.
When me say
Alright.
pussy jar, tight hole, that a lie.
Girl so clean, you want give it to me raw.
It's giving trust, and that me want.
Who want vex just vex?
Baby, who want cuss.
And the fucking argument done.
Me come quick, you want me tell you when me come.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Ladies!
Plus it's shave and it no
Look
full of
that.
bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove. When me say woof,
Woof.
girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Yo, Ishawna hot, you know?
Table, getting at the groove. Don't take woman for toy.
Dirty boy.
A pretty girl like Ishawna give me joy.
Me eat good food, me no feed pan la soy.
Virgin Island, you want me send cry.
You want me Trinidad because you give me rad.
Girl, if you live
You are me chinny bad because you give me rad. Yo, what can't I say before
pretty
that?
girl like Ishawna give me joy.
Me eat good food, me no feed pan la soy.
Virgin Island, you want me send cry.
Virgin
You want me
Island, I'm
Trinidad
saying
because
cry.
you give me rad.
Girl, if you left me, I go dead. You soon see me, girl.
Me get the best fuck from my.
God, if you left me, I go dead. God, you're supposed to be not serious, you're supposed to be. You're supposed to be God.
You give me rad.
Girl, if you left me, I go dead. You soon see me, girl.
Me get the best fuck from my yard man.
Slam dunk like Jordan. When me say woo,
Whoa.
girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove. When me say woo,
Whoa.
girl, the pussy.
Yo, man, know where that style come from, you know. I know how them think about it, or what go on, you know. But boy, I don't know it.
Good me have proof.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove when me say woof.
Whoa.
Girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove when me say woof.
Whoa.
Girl, the pussy good me have proof.
Plus it's shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove when me say woof.
Whoa.
Now or never, as always, it's always now or never or nothing. So this is the second track we see Kartel collaborate with Ishawna from him drop a road. So you can see that the two of them have a chemistry. And the two of them on the same team. Big up Scatter. You don't know a one link. So it's only right. Him a push her, bro. He's pushing her, bro. He's pushing her. He's pushing the hell out of her. And she talented. She bad. A bad artist. Like Ishawna, a bad artist. Teacher! What can I say? You have the most, I think Kartel have the most collab with ladies in the business, you know. Kartel is supposed to have the most collab with ladies in the business. This bad still. This bad. I like it. I like it. Obviously, them do this slang, them drop this slang, them drop this slang, them drop this slang until them drop the video. So automatically the video I gotta make it just know what them I gonna say. You see me? Woof. Yeah, them say. You understand? So yeah, it's bad. Rizzy, big up yourself. You direct it. No or never, you shot it. Big up on yourself. You see me? 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Let me know what you guys think about in the comment section about it, man. And I'll catch you guys down there. Alright? Alright.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.